Installing the Nugget Mobile app on your iPhone without a PC is now a straightforward process. Start by visiting the official Nugget GitHub page to download the Nugget EPA file and then install the WireGuard app from the App Store. Next, return to the Nugget GitHub page and download the SID Store configuration file. Open the WireGuard app, add a tunnel, and select the SID Store configuration file. Approve the VPN setup by entering your password and enabling the SID Store within WireGuard. This ensures proper functionality for the Nugget app. Proceed to install the Nugget IPA file using any preferred method such as the eJitterbug, Scarlet, or Flex Store, all of which allow you to sideload apps without a computer. After installation, you'll need a mobile device pairing file for Nugget to work. To create this, use a computer to download and unzip the Jitterbug pair file from the SID Store website. Connect your iPhone, run the Jitterbug pair tool via the command prompt, and generate the pairing file. Transfer this file to your iPhone using email, AirDrop, or another method. Open the Nugget app on your iPhone, select the pairing file, and enable the tweaks you want by navigating to the Tools section. Ensure the SID Store is running in the background on WireGuard before applying tweaks. With Nugget, you can unlock dynamic features such as Dynamic Island, Always on Display, Region Restriction Bypass, and more, all without jailbreaking. Once tweaks are applied, your device will reboot, complete the setup, and you're ready to use Nugget on your iPhone. This user-friendly open source tool opens up a world of customization options for iOS devices.